Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the visibility of your workspace in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards section. From here we have to tap in the top left corner on the three lines. Then we have to go into our workspace, and then in the top right corner there are three dots. We just tap on those, and then again in the top right corner we tap on the little cog, and here under the visibility section we can set it to be private or public. And after we have decided on what option we want to set it as, we can just tap on save and it's going to be saved. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.